Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wiser. Today I'm going to teach you how to change chat wallpaper on Snapchat. This is actually very straightforward and simple. Make sure to stay tuned and finish the video. So first of all, you want to make sure that Snapchat has been updated to the latest version. You can click on App Store. And on the search page, you can type Snapchat. Enter. And if you see this open button right here, it means it's in the latest version. So you can click on open. This is the home page, but you want to go to chat feed, you can do it by swiping to the right or tap on the second icon at the bottom. And then tap on the friend that you want to change your chat wallpaper with. And then tap on that profile picture. On that profile, you can see wallpaper underneath our chat. And you want to click on it. Click change wallpaper. So in order to change the chat wallpaper with your friend, you need to subscribe to Snapchat Premium for at least $4 per month. I know this sounds pretty BS that you need to pay money for wallpaper, but if you find it worth it, here's the only way that you can change wallpaper is to subscribe to the Snapchat Premium. After subscribing to the Snapchat Premium, you'll be able to change wallpaper and do a bunch of things, such as changing the app icon as well, and then a whole bunch of new emojis as well, I think. And change your post view emoji, all kind of stuff. So yeah, guys, you need Snapchat Premium in order to change your wallpaper. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day.